in 2024. Just in case you are coming in contact with my YouTube channel for the very first time, you can please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I put up a content like this, you'll be one of those that will see them first. And also, please, I want you to at least tell one or two persons to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. In today's training, I'll be talking briefly on how to get jobs as a web designer or web developer in 2024. First and foremost, you need to understand that in the online space, let's say you just learned a skill on web design and you want to sell your skill. The first set of persons that are most likely to give you the job are members of your family or your friends. Now, why did I say this? Most persons wouldn't know that you are a designer, a web developer, apart from those you're already acquainted with, who happen to be your family members or your friends. And these are the set of persons that have known you over the years, that have come in contact with you, have done one or two things or businesses with you. They have this level of trust and confidence when it comes to dealing with you. And also, these your friends through your these your friends rather, they know you very well inside out. They know your weaknesses and your strengths, and so they can actually help you to promote your business or grow your presence by referring people to you, that this is what this person does, and so on. Also, apart from these your friends and family that would refer you for jobs, you also have a role to play by using your social media handles, like Facebook, for instance. Your WhatsApp status shouldn't be idle. You shouldn't keep mute. You shouldn't stop broadcasting information about yourself, about your newfound skill, about the new skill you've acquired. You must keep putting posts up and then. By so doing, people will get to know you. People will get to understand that this is what this person does. This is what this person is into. I guess you understand the point. So you don't keep quiet on the internet. By so doing, people will refer jobs to you. People will come and tell their friends, okay, I know somebody that does so thing. I know somebody that does web design. I know somebody that does graphics and so on. These are ways you actually create awareness about your brand, about the things you do, about your service you offer. Do you understand? So now I'm going to show you how you can actually customize a flyer to showcase your business idea. Now, to do this, Even if you are not a professional graphics designer, you can actually do this by using Canva. This is Canva, canva.com. You can actually present, design a flyer to showcase your business, to display your talent or your skill using this website. Now, to do this, I'll be very brief in this video. You come here, or rather, you come here to create a design. After you clicked on that, you say Facebook post. Facebook post, either landscape or square, depending on what you want to do. But in this case, I will just take landscape because I want to design a simple flyer for my business. I guess you are getting value for this training. I can just decide to use the search phrase web sites. Design. Training. So you see tons and tons of templates will come up. You understand? So you choose the one that best suits your purpose. I guess I'm making sense. Now, without wasting time, I'll choose this one. I like to load. Now, we come here to customize this template to suit your purpose. Now, you just come here, professional website creation service offered, custom web design, mobile app development. If this is what you want, you can actually leave it like this, or if this is not what you want, you can actually change the wordings. You can actually leave this picture like this. Now you change this one, use your business here. Excuse me. Or you actually use your name depending on what you want. So if you have a website, you leave it, or if you don't, you just customize, or you just turn here to be your email. So as you can see, I've already gotten an email. See, okay, this one, don't need this one. You can change this icon to an email icon, or you just put no, or just put So reduce the size. Yeah. See. So this is it. E-commerce solutions and so on and so forth. Delete this one. After you are done customizing these templates, you can actually export it. You just come here, click on download. Now you choose the format, whether PNG or JPEG that you want to save it to, or an MP4 video. In this case, I don't really need this one, but for training purpose, I just decided to do this one for you to understand how you can actually design a simple flyer for your business or for yourself or for your brand. Understand? So after I've done that, I'll just come here to click on wire link to create a short WhatsApp link for my business. You know, as it has loaded up, I'll just come straight down here, create a wire link for free. Then you input the phone number that you want to use for your business, but in this case I'll just come here, now I'll customize a message. But before then, I'll just pick a message that best suits the service you want to deliver. I'll just say at Venutech Services, we deliver top notch web sites design services. Yes. If you have the business name, you can also if you don't have a business name, you can also leave it blank. You just put your name as this. You put your name in place of this. You understand? You put your name in place of this one now. That will also help to tell the people that this is what you do. Now, this is how the message will come into your phone. Then when you are done typing, you click on generate the wire link. Now with this link that you generated, you copy the link, go to your Facebook, come to Facebook. When you log into your Facebook, you just come here and look for groups where people, web designers, they converge. And you come here, you allow it to load. Then you see professional web developer kindly needed. All you just need to do is to come here, I am interested. And you also come down and look. I need a professional graphic designer to do some designs for my social banner. Kindly email that. So you write this email as you are seeing it on the screen. If it's a web designer, you send your information. like that, and on. Before you know it, people will start writing you, will start contacting you. Before you know it, you land your first job. Do you understand? So these are the ways that you can actually use in getting your first clients for any web designing job as a newbie. I believe you got value for this tutorial. Please stay well for more of this kind of tutorials in the next videos. Thank you for your time.